We're going to take a voltage across the capacitor between common and Herm. We'll start with common.
It was at this moment he realized that he fucked up.
How the heck did that?
Because you touched something.
What do you want to bet he won't make that mistake again?
What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey Pipes with Christian.
Hello.
If you are in the Central Florida, Orlando area, give us a call, 407-375-1100 if you need central air or plumbing service. Let's get this done. We have a customer right here, new customer. Got problems with his AC. Let's go see what's going on this hot, beautiful day in Winter Garden, Florida. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are doing a preventative maintenance at this customer's location. It's got a carrier. Can't read the stickers anymore, but got a carrier system. And what's great about Florida, excuse me, our condensate drain lines always drain right next to the unit. Got the vacuum set up right here. That's all. Oh, no, are you kidding me? Is it dead? Yep. Let's see. Our battery's dead. Go figure. Battery flip. Nailed it. Okay. And we'll let this sit on for a little bit while we pour hot water on the drain inside. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are outside at the outdoor unit. We're going to use the HVAC Tech School app to dynamically test our capacitor while the system is running. We're going to go to tools. We're going to go to underload capacitor test. We're going to take a voltage across the capacitor between common and Herm. We'll start with common and...
How the heck did that?
Because you touched something.
Oh, I touched the side here.
Yep. And you blew the breaker. And I got it all on video. Yep. Now she's back on?
No, I don't want to turn it on yet.
Why not?
I want to make sure nothing's still sticking on there. Golly.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is off. Okay. Let me get it.
And that's one of the benefits you get watching our videos. Uncut, unedited, raw. You saw that just as much as I did. But it stresses the importance of wearing PPE, eyes and hands. We turn the power back on. I'm not scared. You're the one who's scared.
Like you jumped a little bit.
No, I was just surprised that happened, you know. You have a rinky-dink test strips there. Test, whatchamacallit, thingamajiggies. All right, back to what we were doing. Voltage across capacitor between common and Herm. We have our common terminal, which normally has 4 terminals on it. Herm usually has 3, and fan has 2. So there's one there. There's another one there. You have 330. So we're going to put it in there, 330. Now we're going to do amperage of motors across start winding. So let's hook up our amp meter and let's read our amperage on that blue wire going to the compressor. You're going to want to take one from right there. There's your blue wire. Okay, we're going to read amperage. And you have 9.2. 9.2. And the capacitor is rated? 70. So dynamically, with the system running, we are off. Okay, you're reading 73.96, which is a deviation of 5.66. All right, so we recommend to replace this capacitor. But now, we're going to test it with the system off. We're going to turn off power to the condenser. We're going to discharge the capacitor, and we're going to test and see if we get the same numbers. There's pros and cons to everything we do. By testing the unit, the capacitor dynamically, you're not disturbing any of the wires, which could result in a terminal breaking, right? And becoming loose and resulting in a recall. Testing it while the system is running, we're not disturbing any of the wires. And as long as you're careful and doing it properly and not grounding anything out like we just witnessed, right? All right, so now we're going to remove all the wires from the capacitor. We're going to pull the capacitor, and then we are going to recommend replacement after testing again with the system off. All right. Okay. And real quick, we're going to see if it passes the shake test. Put that up to your ear and shake it. Tell me if you hear anything. Hear anything in there?
Not really, no.
Okay, good. If you hear something in there, it's going to fail the shake test. You know that when that was brand new, it did not have anything squishing around inside. So now let's test our capacitor. Got it good right there. 70 over 5. 70 over 5. Hold on, didn't we say it was 75? Okay, one terminal on Herm, one terminal on Common. Now we're reading 68 point and climbing. Interesting. Let's check our fan. 4.9. But with the system running, it was not within specification. All right, the new dual capacitor is installed. We have today's date on it, 5/14/24. Everything else looks good. We're going to finish up maintenance by rinsing the coil. But before we do that, there's one thing to test, and that is the coil resistance on our contactor. We like to be in the teens, and we are at 15.3. Perfect. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are trying to beat the storm that's coming in. Christian is quickly applying some coil cleaner to this outdoor condensing unit's coil. And I don't know, the winds are really picking up. The winds are really picking up, as you can see here. I feel like I'm in a hurricane. We're gonna do our best to finish the task at hand. It got really, really dark here. Wow. Doing our best, ladies and gentlemen, doing our best. Delivering customers value. If you're in the Central Florida, Orlando area, Winter Garden, Windermere, give us a call, 407-375-1100. All right, doing our best to beat the rain. We are now officially in the rain now. Unit is clean. Put this thing back together and get up out of here.